Hi everyone, Help Chef here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the simple and easy dish, chicken stir-fry rice cake. So let's get prepared. So first, we're going to cook a chicken first. So add the garlic and white onion. Carrot, celery, put the boiling water. So now add the pre-made stir-fry sauce. And now add the garlic shoots. And add the bok choy. The chili, not the chili. Very yummy. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Click the link below to find how to make stir-fry sauce. Cheers! Yeah, and then add the celery. Put on all. Be careful. Okay. And add the garlic shoot. Yeah, the green, all green. Yeah, little bit. And then add the mushroom, shiitake mushroom. So maybe you add a little bit more sauce, the stir-fry sauce.
Yep.
Yeah. So that is easier, you know. Yeah. Beautiful. Good.